5 new cases of West Nile virus have been detected in Clark County. It brings the county's total case count to 7. The Southern Nevada Health District says 3 of the 5 people were diagnosed with the neuroinvasive form of the illness. They were hospitalized and are recovering. To prevent mosquitoes from biting you and a possible infection, health officials say wear repellent when you're outside. Make sure you regularly drain any standing water in and around your home.
Wearing long-sleeved, loose clothing also prevents mosquitoes from being able to bite your skin. And it's even more important to take these steps if you're going outside from the late evening to early morning, because that is the peak time that these mosquitoes are biting people. And that's the peak time where disease transmission can occur.
The first 2 cases of West Nile virus in Clark County were reported June 26th.